How to fix domain error or DNS error. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk through the steps to identify and resolve domain error or DNS error, whether it is a misconfigured DNS settings or a verification problem. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then I will show you first how you can easily connect your domain name provider, for example GoDaddy or Namecheap or any domain name provider, to your Shopify store. Then I will show you how you can easily fix any error on your Shopify. Then guys, first hit on settings in the bottom. Then go directly to domains section on the left side. Then first guys, hit on connect existing domain. Then guys, you need to add your domain name. This is my domain name on GoDaddy. You can use any domain name provider. Then guys, hit on account, my product. This is my account on GoDaddy. This is my domain name. Then just you need to copy and paste it, then hit on next. Now guys, this domain name required verification. First guys, you need to select the CNAME record and TXT record. Then make sure to add the same information on your domain name. Then first you need to find the CNAME record. Just go and hit on manage. Then guys, go directly and hit on manage DNS. As you see guys, before starting to add the record on your domain name, first you need to remove any record. As you see guys, I have already added e-record, CNAME record and TXT record. First you need to delete all this record. Then after you need to refresh and add the new record. Delete records. As you see guys, the records was deleted successfully. Now guys, you need to add your new record. Then hit on add new record. Then choose the record, CNAME record. Then the name, it's alt, I think it's alt. Sorry, it's W. Then guys, the value, just and go back and copy the value. Make sure to copy the same value. Then hit on paste. Then make sure to let the TTL 1 day or a custom. I prefer to make it 1 day. Then hit on save. As you see guys, your DNS record has been updated successfully. Then guys, go back again to add the new record. The new record is TXT record. Then copy the name. Then make sure to add the TXT record. Then the name, paste it, the value, go back and copy the value. Then paste it. Then also I think 1 day or 1 hour, I think 1 hour, sorry, 1 hour. Then hit on save. Also go back to CNAME record and make it 1 hour, edit to 1 hour. Then hit on save. Now guys, the updating your DNS record has been updated successfully. Just go back guys and now hit on verify connection. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, automatically your domain name, it will updated and added successfully to your Shopify store. Just you need to add and verify your domain name and your DNS record the same as you required on your Shopify. Then guys, verification ownership of all on your switch on .online. It's take I think up to 48 hours. Then after 48 hours it will updated and will added to your Shopify store automatically. As you see guys, this is the easy method to fix any domain error or DNS error. Just you need to go back and remove all the records on your domain name. Then remove it all your record or the past record. Then you need to create a new one and just make it 1 hour. Then guys, this is the easy method to fix any domain error or DNS error. Then guys, after adding your domain name, just go back and make it a primary. Just select your domain name like this. I will give you an example to to make your domain name a primary, just for this. Then go back and select your domain name and go to domain section. Then after adding your domain name and appear on your domain section, just select your domain name, for example like this, and open your domain name and change the domain type and make it primary domain. Then hit on change domain type to primary. Then now your domain name is on the main. Then your sites, it will appear with this domain name. As you see guys, this is the easy method to fix your domain error or DNS error. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.